Aslamalikum folks, this is your host Ayaz Haider. In today's video, I'll be giving you a mod script of the Faucet in a box script that supports ADA coin. So I think the latest version till this date is R118 and that doesn't support this coin. So I've modified it for supporting ADA coin and now I'm going to give this script to you also. So once you get this script, you're going to upload it to the cPanel or the file manager in the domain root of your website, and then simply right click on it and click on extract. And once you extract that, you're going to hit on close. And now let's reload this page. And as you can see, a new folder Faucet in a Box Ultimate R11 has been created. So let's open it, and now I'm going to click on select all, and I'm going to move it back into the main root directory. So once you have done that, you can open your website and you can see how it looks like. So currently you can see that cannot connect to database, check your config.php, access denied for user ultimate use at localhost using password yes. So let's fix it, and to do that we're going to add our database credentials into the config.php file. Going back to your cPanel or your file manager, you are going to side click on the config.php and you're going to click on edit. And now you're going to add your database credentials. I have already created a database and I have also shown many times on my channel how you can create your MySQL database. So I'm not going to be repeating that procedure again, and I'm simply going to add my database details into this. So as you can see, I have added all of the details, and now I'm going to click on Save Changes. And once that's done, you're going to go back to your website and you're going to hit refresh. And as you can see, the Faucet in a Box script has been installed. Now I'm going to copy this password and click here to continue. And now I'm going to paste that password and hit login. And as you can see, it says service faucetpay.io service API key is empty. Right now I haven't added any API keys over here. And as you can see in the currency, it's giving me ADA coin. So I'm going to add the API key and also the captcha keys, because that is how I will activate my website. So if I show you the website right now, you can see that it's in the disabled state. So I'm going to activate it and I'll see you later. So as you can see, I have added the Faucet Pay service API key and I have also saved it. So I'm going back to the web and now I'm going to refresh it. And as you can see, the website has been activated. So I have put my email over here and I'm going to click on get reward. So by default, the Faucet in a Box script disables claiming with an email. So I'm going to uncheck that and click on Save Changes. And now let's claim again. And as you can see, 10 Satoshis were sent to me on faucetpay.io. So let's go back to my Faucet Pay account and I'm going to hit refresh. And as you can see, the number of payouts received today has been increased by 1. And you can also see in the recent Faucet list that Mod Faucets has sent me 10 ADA Satoshis. And I was practicing earlier with this script, so that's why it's giving other also in the history. So now let's see if the direct transfer in the admin also works. So if I send, let's say, manually 109 Satoshis to the same receiver address, and once I click on yes, send coins, you can see that 109 Satoshis were sent to my account, and I am going to hit refresh again to see that if the amount was sent to me or not. And as you can see that 109 ADA Satoshis have been sent to me again. So it means that this script works, and if you want this script, then you can find the download link in the description below. So this was all for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, then please consider giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, it's Allah Hafiz.